Shares of Rivian are trading at $10.80, and they are down over 48% year to date after seeing EV demand growth start to slow down earlier in this year. Zooming out on the chart, you can see that this stock is now down over 91% from its all-time high of 179.47. And in terms of fundamentals, Rivian has beat 2 of its last 4 earnings calls, but has missed the last 2. Their probability of bankruptcy is sitting at about 55% right now, which is not good, but their debt to equity is not bad at 6.4 right now. In terms of revenue, Rivian has seen some impressive growth, but their net income does continue to hold steady in negative territory. And if you've been keeping up with Rivian, then you've likely seen the headlines saying that they are losing about $38,000 per car sold right now, which certainly has been improving quite a bit, but lots of analysts are starting to argue that this is not improving fast enough. Anyways, the average 1-year price forecast for Rivian is $13.89, which is 29% higher than where it trades today, with a high estimate of 21 and a low of 8. Rivian's current price to sales is about 2.1, which is considerably lower than the auto industry average of 4.8, and it is also quite a bit lower than Rivian's historical number. For December 30th, 2026, Rivian is expected to earn a revenue of around $11 billion, which is just over double of what it is today, and that works out to about $11.14 a share. And if we follow the trend of their price to sales, I think that we can expect that to rise up to around the 2.5 mark by 2026, which would result in a share price of $27.85, which is a 158% upside. Certainly, that is a lot of potential upside that investors can get excited about, and while it definitely is possible, and I dare say likely, with a probability of bankruptcy at 55% and uncertain EV sales going forward, I would say the risk to reward ratio is honestly pretty decent. Although personally it presents too much risk for me, I think that this is a solid option if you think that Rivian is going to stick around long term. Anyways, that's all I have for you today on Rivian stock. Please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you next video.